Hello you guys, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of adding a delivery address in your Walmart app. So if you want to find out how that can be done, then make sure to stick with me till the end of the video. First of all, open the app Walmart. The app might take some time to load. Once the app has been loaded, tap on My Account section at the bottom right. After that, scroll down and go to Manage Account section. After that, tap on Addresses. Here you can add the address. To do so, tap on Add. Now enter your first name, last name, street address, apartment or unit. Entering apartment or unit is optional. Enter your city, state, zip code. Give your phone number. Enter the delivery instructions. Entering delivery instructions is also optional, so you can skip this. And after that, you can also set this as your preferred delivery address by checking on this box right here. Once you have filled in all the details, tap on Save, and that's it. Your delivery address will be saved. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.